Hello everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps. Today I'm going to share with you my HUMMER H2. I'm going to install LED bar, the fog light on the grill. It's very easy and very simple process. I have received LED bar. These are from Now LED, NAO. I'll provide the link under my description. Please check it out in case if you need to upgrade your HUMMER or any off-road vehicle. Two places you can put it on. It's gonna get mounted like this and it's going to bring the outlook of my HUMMER. I'm going to share with you how to install. If you take a look, this is the one bracket going to mount it on top of the grill, and we're going to tighten this. And this is the two nut that's inside, and that's where the screw is gonna go in. So this is the mounting bracket. You put the bolt in. If it's sitting like this, you can tilt it like that. It's very easy. So let me show it to you. So this is how it's gonna look, and it's going to be really nice and bright. So I'm going to mount one here and one here. The LED don't come with the wiring. You need to buy the wiring separate. So I have the wiring also received. This is a long wiring. This has a relay, and this one going to mount it on our battery, negative and positive terminal. This will connect into our lights, and then this switch, I'm going to drill a hole in my dash panel. Then I'm going to put this switch up there, turn on and off from there. I'm going to test these lights if they're working or not. Let's open the hood. We need to work on the wiring. Wiring is not hard if you know how to do it. It's very easy and simple process. The way I'm going to do it, this is the switch. I'm going to run through there. It's going to come into the dashboard. So I'm going to make a hole big enough so the switch can fit. So I'm going to put the negative and the positive terminal. Just a quick check. So you will see the lights working or not. LED light, the red goes red and the black goes in the black. This is the temporary test. As you can see, the light. Let me turn the light towards you so you will see. On, off. So that's how simple and easy. And the same thing will be, the second wiring will come from there, and I'm going to route all the way. Once I'm going to finish up routing all the wiring and the switch, then I'm going to share with you final thoughts and the final product. LED lights, they are installed, and now I'm going to turn it on. They are looking very decent and they are waterproof, and I'm going to turn them on. They look really decent, very bright LEDs. Right now still the sun light is out, so I'm going to show you how they're going to look at the night time. What I've done, brought the wire right under here. I made a hole here. I put the switch up here, and this is the switch indicator light. When you turn it on, the light turns on and LED lights are on. And we're going to turn them off. No more indicator light. At this moment, it's dark, and I want to show you how the LED bar looks at this moment. And let me turn it on. It's very bright. It's so bright. You're really going to enjoy it if you are going in the mountains or you drive off-road. This is what looks like it at night time. So this is how it's easy and simple to install your LED bar on your HUMMER H2. These lights are really great. I'm going to enjoy these. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe, and I'm going to list the part number in case if you're interested under my description. So please check it out. Thank you. Bye-bye.